Okay, welcome to the second part of this DMX tutorial. So now we'll try to go a little bit more in depth. So first thing first, let me just remove this. And here I have this gradient. Let me just stop the movement of the gradient. Okay, so now I have a nice gradient. And let me just try to show it to you. Okay, something like that. Okay, so now there is not much contrast over there. So what I can do over there in my fixture, there is this response, and response is actually a response curve that will just multiply the value by itself. So it's like a power curve. So look at what's going to happen. Now, okay, I have some more contrast, which is interesting because it will clip, so it will make it 0 over here, somewhere around here. So that's useful because let's say, for instance, I'm like this, and okay, poof, here I'm 2%, and you can see 2%. Opacity, and it's still lit, and this is not what I want. I would like something to be more contrast, so I can just okay, so maybe 2% that's there, and now I have set up something more interesting with more contrast. Okay, so that's a point that comes back often in the support, because people, they want to know how to have more contrast in their LEDs. So this is one way to do it. And another way, or another question that we often have in the support is, if I go there, you can see the DMX is automatic. So the content I'm actually sampling at the resolution of my visuals, actually, it's you can see they fit into this frame, and actually this frame is almost 2000 pixels, but my LED bar is only 144 pixels. So how do I actually have a pixel perfect or pixel precise animation? Well, this is very easy to do. If I click make a new DMX canvas, boom, it's not auto anymore. That's just my output, DMX output. And if in the size I input 144 by, let's say I want some minimum resolution to be able to see what's going on. So this, oops, I just, oops, it's there. Where is it? Actually, this video output I don't need anymore, and I will just put it somewhere here. Okay, and now if I go back here, if I go back here and my DMX fixture, boom, let me reduce it. Okay, and now I have this pixel precise. So here, each little rectangle here is actually 1 pixel, and let's try to actually make a white pixel. So I make a new quad. I put some plain color. Okay, so this is white, and I don't want any perspective. I can just go there, and I will reduce it, boom, 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 till it makes only 1 pixel. Okay, and here, okay, I have this pixel, and if I move it, let's say I'll move it somewhere here. So now, oops, if I go, where do I go? If I go there, and if I look here very precisely, let me just remove a little bit the luminosity. Okay, so this is not so focused. You can see I have just 1 pixel actually, and now I have a pixel perfect. If I want to see the preview, at the same time. It's there, the preview is there. Okay, so now, oops, there. Okay, and you can see, oops, again. Okay, so it moved. Oops, sorry. So I've just one pixel, and that's it. I would say that's about it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. And if you have questions, please leave them in the comments.